Dear kind soul, welcome. Get yourself to a calm place and get yourself to any position that you are comfortable with. Close your eyes and take a slow, gentle breath in. And exhale, releasing any tension that resides within you. Today, this meditation is dedicated to you, brave moms who are fighting postpartum depression. Know that you are seen, cherished, and profoundly loved. Let your breathing become your anchor. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a luminous, warm light, a healing radiance that fills every part of your being. With each exhale, imagine releasing the weight that has burdened you, letting go of sadness and self-doubt. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you surrender into this quiet moment where nothing exists but this soft, loving presence. Visualize yourself standing in a peaceful garden, bathed in the gentle glow of a tender sunrise. The dew on the leaves, the soft petals of blooming flowers, all whisper messages of renewal and hope. In this garden, every flower symbolizes a new beginning, a fresh burst of energy, just as every new day holds infinite possibilities for healing and transformation. Feel the solid, nurturing earth beneath your feet, a reminder of your strength and resilience. You are deeply rooted, and from your roots rises an unstoppable force of love and power. As you stand in this sacred space, allow yourself to listen to the quiet wisdom of your heart. Affirm softly to yourself, I am strong, I am cherished, and I am enough. I am strong, I am cherished, and I am enough. I am strong, I am cherished, and I am enough. Embrace the truth that even in the midst of stormy emotions, there is a light within you that cannot be dimmed. Let that light guide you, infusing you with hope, courage, and a deep sense of calm. Now, imagine a gentle breeze carrying whispers of encouragement and love. It caresses your skin, reminding you that you are never alone. With each breath, invite this loving energy to fill every corner of your mind and body. Picture it as a shimmering aura surrounding you, a protective, nurturing blanket that whispers, I am here, and everything is going to be okay. I am here, and everything is going to be okay. Stay in this space for as long as you need, letting go of judgment or guilt. Embrace this sacred moment as a pause. Gentle respite where you are free to simply be. Remember, dear one, that healing is not linear, but a beautiful, sometimes winding journey toward reclaiming your inner light. When you are ready, slowly bring your attention back to the gentle rhythm of your breath. Carry with you the assurance that hope, power, and love are always within reach, Open your eyes whenever you feel ready, knowing that you step forward renewed, embraced by the profound love that surrounds you.